My name is Maria Kapadia. I am doing LLB from University of London and I am in my first year of studies. I decided to study at Denning because Denning provides an opportunity to study a worldwide recognized degree, that is the University of London LLB program. Staying in my home country, staying with my family, staying with my friends in Karachi, and I am getting that worldwide recognized degree in a lot more less cost, and which enables me to practice law anywhere in the world with this degree. I am currently working alongside with my studies. I go to my father's office and I'm a managing director over there. It's really easy to balance work and studies studying here at Denning Law School because Denning has provided us with different batches with flexible times. We can choose whatever time suits us, like you can go to the office in the morning and then you can study in the evening and take the class in the evening, or you can go to the office after the afternoon and then study in the morning. We also have a VLE portal where we have all the recorded lectures, all the recorded past paper practice answers. We've got everything summed up already with us. It's really easy to manage work and studies together. I love cooking. I also love creating content. I've got a blog. I've started blogging on Instagram. I create content for that blog. I've got different forums which I manage. I create content for them. I create different posts. The benefits of studying with the teaching center is that currently also I'm a part of the executive council at Denning Law School, which has provided me with an opportunity to meet different people, to organize events, to learn, to practice law, to get into the practical life rather than studying at home, because university provides you an environment to socialize, to learn new experience. You meet new people, you learn to interact with them. I want to be a barrister. I'll be doing bar. I'll be going to UK for bar after my LLB program, and after that I'll be continuing my practice in corporate law. This degree of University of London will help me because, again, as I mentioned before, it is a worldwide recognized degree. Staying in Pakistan, practicing, going to courts here, doing internships here has helped me to practice the Pakistani law, and this degree has helped me to learn and practice the UK law. And right now, currently, I know how litigation works in Pakistan, how law works in UK. So this degree has provided me an opportunity of diversity. I love the way Denning is not just a university, it is a family. The faculty here, the people here, they're very cooperative. We've got flexible time, we've got different societies which we can take part in, we can learn new skills. Not just studying law, we've got different activities, cooking competitions, different festivals. So it's really good that we have a life outside studying too. I love to plan my work. I've got a timetable, I've got a planner, I plan my work, I create a schedule that I need to follow. And I know that this is that I have to do for the day, which helps me to be practical, which helps me to be organized. You need to make something out of yourself. Everyone has special abilities, special characteristics. There will be something hidden inside you. For me, it has always been a law career because I've got those germs, I've got those personality characteristics, a bold characteristic that helped me to enter into this field. So there is something inside you. You need to find it and you need to build a career or build a life out of that.